She on? Oh, she's on. Look at that. Lean over, Alan. Look at that mint unit back here. What are we building now?
Oh, we're building some sick stuff.
Car strapped to the Hummer here.
Go for it.
Ready?
Yep.
See if she rips.
Trying to pour some more fuel down her.
Oh, mint little bit of starting fluid here.
Alright, how are we even going to do this? Here, that was it.
Yeah.
Perfect.
What kind of hole is that?
Squeeze it.
If I do, it goes everywhere.
That's the point. Alright, ready?
Yeah. Alright, give her a bit of.
On it?
Oh, it's on fire. It's on fire. The exhaust is... No, like the it's still on fire. Oh shit.
This should be alright, as long as it's in the header.
We need to plug it so it'll go out.
Not your boot. It's out. I think we're just...
There's cool in this one. There's not even cool in the one.
I seriously doubt this is it.
Look at this.
Perfect.
Alright, get real. That fuel pump is kicking.
Yeah, vice grip. Can you need the gas tank over, please? This one? Yep.
It's pumping down here.
Is it in the crack or anything?
Yeah.
Will, unhook it.
Huh?
Dump that old fuel out.
What's up, mad dog? Anybody?
Where are we dumping her? Over here?
Probably right there.
Well, we started the garage is fine.
Just dump it right there.
Wherever.
Can you sauce it around?
Oh,
How dirty
yeah.
it look?
It looks like he's about to get butt fucked.
Don't matter.
It's awesome sounding.
Oh, I was just hearing a
Sure
purr.
fan.
Hearing a purr. Hearing a fan tick.
I think it's gonna start.
I think it'll run.
So we showed getting the project bike here. We still haven't got it running yet. I think it needs some coils. Hopefully that'll get that up and running. We never showed what the project is it's going in. So we got Owen over here. These are the parts we picked up today. We got some Polaris Razor wheels and tires and rear hub and axle assembly. Guy hooked us up with a bunch of parts. We are building a 2-seater 600cc Yamaha FZR 600 powered go-kart here. Cross kart style. We got some shocks we don't know if we're going to use yet, but this is about the size we're looking at. Maybe extend the front a little more. Got to get some steel here at some point. And what do you think, Owen?
Get the ripping.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, man, it's gonna go together good.
As long as the bike runs, that's the big hope. We got 200 bucks on a bike so far. What did we spend on these parts today?
370.
$370 for rims, tires, axles, hubs, steering, some pedals, shocks.
Radiator.
We're gonna get some $300 worth of steel at some point here and start caging her out. This will probably be the end of the first video, I think. So now hopefully a video every week or every other week. Probably every other week for a while here until things get moving faster, but should be pretty sick. All right, we got a last minute update before we leave. Turns out we're just dumb and it seems like the kickstand has to be up for it to start, so we're back tied to the old Ford here. And he's Maddie's tripod stand here. See if she doesn't.
Get the ether. Kickstand is now up.
Soak it and start it first. Maybe we can catch it on fire and then buy another one. I think we don't need him for a while. She's shooting out the exhaust. Not like it was the other day. You have to blow out the fucking carburetor. So we got fire in that one. Oh my god! Holy fuck! Holy shit! Here, keep going. Let me get one on film good.
I think we need to put some more fuel to it.
Like, yeah, you're probably right.
Alright, kick the kickstand down. I'm just waiting up.
Is it down? Oh, I thought it was down already. I was like, oh. Alright. It might actually start today. We might just be idiots. Time to actually put the gas tank back on it. Be back in just a second. I think we flooded it pretty damn hard. We're almost there! Whoa! Let's go! Rev limiter! Just for a second. It will kill it for that.
I think that was
Oh.
I think it'll start it.
Huh?
I think it'll start.
Let me just snatch up the cord. Your neighbors are gonna love you.
It started getting firing on all cylinders.
You don't think?
That's nice.
I've seen 3 of them sparking. I haven't seen shit of it. That's not
Dude, high five.
It's a start, man.
High
That
five.
makes me feel like 100 times better today. Pretty hyped up now. Turns out the kickstand just had to be down or up. But that should run. Get an actual charge on the battery, so not tied to the truck. If If anybody watches this and knows anything about motorcycles, tell us why we're idiots. And subscribe if you want to see us actually get this thing running next time. Hell yeah.